Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure the Twilio AI-Powered Dialer inside SuiteCRM. By the end of this setup, you'll be ready to make and receive calls directly from your CRM. Check that the Twilio AI-Powered Dialer for SuiteCRM is installed in your system. From the top navigation, go to the Admin panel, then locate and select Twilio Settings. Once inside, click on Create CTI Settings from the left sidebar. In the Basic panel, begin by entering a name for your CTI configuration. Set the status to Active. Type Account SID, Auth token, and Phone SID from your linked Twilio dashboard. Next, enter the agent phone number assigned to this configuration. For incoming calls modules, select your preferred module where you want to store your inbound and outbound call records in SuiteCRM. The dialer currently works with 6 CRM modules: leads, contacts, accounts, users, cases, and targets. But for this demonstration, we're selecting the leads module. Now let's configure voicemail. From the left sidebar, click on Create Voicemail. Enter a voicemail name, then click Choose File to upload an audio file or select an existing one. Choose the voice type if required, then click Save. Your Twilio voicemail is now created. Return to Create CTI Settings. In the Twilio voicemail field, select the voicemail you just created. For outbound, inbound agent, choose admin or the appropriate agent for handling calls. Next, customize the contact name profile icon. Select your preferred background color and text color for the profile icon. If you don't choose BG color and text color, the system uses default colors. Next, configure dual ring to make alerts audible in both connected devices. Note, the dual ring functionality works only when a device is connected to the system. Let's configure it. From the left sidebar, click on Create Dual Ring. Enter a name for the ringtone, then choose an audio file from your system. Once selected, click Save. After saving, click on See Dual Ring from the sidebar. Here, you'll see a list view page displaying all your created dual ring. Now return to Create CTI Settings. In the Dual Ring field, select the dual ring file you just created. This ringtone will now play based on your configured call flow. Next, configure the hold ring. From the sidebar menu, click on Create Hold Ring. Choose the audio file you want callers to hear when their call is placed on hold. Click Save to store the ringtone. Click on See Hold Ring to view your saved hold ring. Then return to the CTI Settings page. In the Hold Ring field, select the hold ring file you just created. Now scroll down to the Added for V2 panel. To get your API key SID and API key secret, log into your Twilio account. Navigate to the API key section and copy both credentials. Paste the API key SID and API key secret into the respective fields in SuiteCRM. Once the API credentials are added, click Save. After saving, the TwiML app SID is automatically generated. At the top of the screen, the status shows Passed Attempt, confirming that Twilio has been successfully validated. After validating, scroll down to the My Outbound Partner Agents and My Inbound Partner Agents subpanels. Outbound Partner Agents define which agent can place calls using a specific Twilio number, while Inbound Partner Agents control how incoming calls are routed by assigning priority levels among designated agents. Let's assign an outbound calling number. Click on My Outbound Partner Agents. Choose Select from dropdown to assign an outbound number. Select the Twilio phone number. Assign the number to the required CRM user, for example, admin. Click Select to complete the setup. Once saved, the outbound number appears in the Outbound Partner Agents list. This confirms that the number is successfully linked to the agent and ready to be used for outbound calls. Now let's configure Inbound Partner Agents. Navigate to My Inbound Partner Agents sub-panel below. Click Select from the dropdown to define who receives incoming calls. Select the CRM user who should handle inbound calls. Set the priority level based on your business needs. Save the configuration. Inbound calls are routed based on priority. That's it! You've now seen how the Twilio AI-Powered Dialer for SuiteCRM works for seamless outbound and inbound calling directly inside your CRM. With features like priority-based call routing, real-time call handling, automatic call logging, and a fully integrated dialer, teams can manage calls efficiently without switching tools. Thanks for watching! Explore more SuiteCRM extensions to further streamline and enhance your CRM workflows.